Welcome to Empowered Homemaker. Today we will be making mango Shrikhand. It is also called Amrakhand, which is a delicious mango delight, a dessert with all the goodness of tasty mango pulp and hung curd. To begin with, we prepare the hung curd by placing clean cloth over a sieve and pouring fresh curds in it, allowing the whey to seep out, giving us hung curd, which is also locally called as chakka. Here I have taken 250 grams of hung curd, 1 cup of mango pulp, half a cup sugar, 2 green cardamoms or elaichi, few strands of kesar or saffron, and a tablespoon of sliced pista. Let us take the hung curd in a shallow bowl and add the mango pulp. Here I have taken the mango pulp made with Alphonso Mango, known as the king of mangoes. It's the tastiest of all the mangoes. Add crushed cardamoms and powdered sugar to it. If you want, you can even add a pinch of nutmeg powder, which is also called as jaifal. Use the wire whisk and mix it thoroughly. Make it into a smooth paste. Add a pinch of salt to it to enhance the taste and mix everything thoroughly till you get a smooth texture. Add a few strands of kesar or saffron and mix it once again. Now it's really become smooth. Can you see the texture? That is how it should be. And now we can decorate it with the remaining kesar strands and also the slices of pista. Your delicious mango Shrikhand is ready. A beautiful blend of hung curd and mango pulp. It is a great mango dessert. Traditionally, mango Shrikhand or Amrakhand is relished with puris on many festive occasions. Watch the consistency of this Amrakhand or mango Shrikhand. Here, it's come out just the way it should be. Thank you for your precious time as you watch this video of mango Shrikhand. Do try it out and let me know how it turned out in the comment box. And also like, share and subscribe to my channel to empower homemakers. Thank you for watching.